Hey guys, Roby here with some exciting Divi BodyCommerce update news for you. Now with version 6.5.4, which is not just a bug fix update, we've actually added an awesome feature for you to check out and enjoy. We're going to be adding tooltips to our existing amazing advanced variation swatches for our products. Now, keep in mind, this will only work on your colors as well as your image variation swatches. So let's check it out. All right, guys, so here I've got that product page with all variation swatches on there. You can see it looks good with the circles, but we're going to enhance that now with some tooltips like I showed you in the intro of this video. All you got to do is log into the back end of your Divi install, and all you're going to do is go to Divi Engine, BodyCommerce, and then all you need to do is go and find variation swatches in here, click on that, and then you'll see a new option here in BodyCommerce called Enable Tooltip, but only for image and color type of variations. So keep that in mind. We're going to flip that on. And then when you scroll down, you're going to see Variation Tooltip option settings. And here you can go ahead and go about changing that background color, padding, the size, and all that fun stuff. But to just show you how easy it was without changing anything, I'll save this. I'll go back to the front end. And I'm going to refresh the page. And there we go. We have tooltips on our variations. Now this will relay extra information to your customers. And just another cool feature you can offer if you're an agency building these sites for people. So there you guys go. Variation tooltips in Divi BodyCommerce. Definitely make sure you update it to the latest version to make sure that you have all the features that we highlight in this video. Guys, and there you go. I know that was short and sweet, but this is one of the most awesome features we've added to BodyCommerce in quite a while, and we love it, so we'll know you'll love it too. Definitely let us know if you have any questions about this. If you don't have the latest BodyCommerce installed, please, like I said, make sure that you have it installed on your Divi install to make sure that you're not missing out on awesome features. So guys, with that, this was Roby with the Divi Engine team. I'm going to catch you guys in our next update video.